mechanized Bitterleaf washing machine, whose basis is on Bitterleaf, washing of Bitterleaf, and then using the byproducts such as Bitterleaf juice, then the solid form of the Bitterleaf in the production of Benonia tea, methanol, fertilizer, and etc. This machine has 11 chambers, which is the rinsing chamber, the washing chamber, the methanol processing chamber, the water tank, the water reinforcement tank, the heating chamber, the hair chamber, and then the chamber, and then this chamber for heating of the Bitterleaf juice for production of methanol, and then lastly the DC chamber. This machine, this is the controlling unit board of this machine. It controls all the chambers and all the components of this machine. Here, here is the rinsing chamber. This chamber is where is formed for rinsing of the Bitterleaf in order for the Bitterleaf to be hygienic. Here is introducing water, which will give the rinsing chamber water, and every process in this machine is mechanized. You don't need to use your hands in washing of Bitterleaf again. Let the process start. Now, please on the ignition, you can see this machine is now on. Please introduce water to the rinsing chamber, please. As you can see, the rinsing water is entering into the rinsing chamber. Let the rinsing process begin. You can see now it is now rinsing the Bitterleaf. It's okay. Now you can see the Bitterleaf. It is now neat and hygienic. We will now introduce the rinsed form of the Bitterleaf into the washing chamber. Please, let's introduce it to the washing chamber. Now, let's transfer the already rinsed Bitterleaf to the washing chamber. Please return it. And now the, the, the washing chamber is now washing the bitter leaf. As you can see, the washing process is still going on. As you can see, these are the foams coming out from the washing chamber, which shows that the bitter leaf is in process. We can now see the bitter leaf. As you can see, this is a prototype. This is a little amount of bitter leaf it has washed, and as you can see, it is quite mechanized. Look at the where water comes into the machine. You don't need to give the machine water again. It is quite mechanized. Look at the water, the inlet where water comes in. Yeah, this. Let Nigerians see that they have quite astounding talent, and also this is a new invention. Now this is the bitter leaf juice. We will gain our methanol through condensing process using the bitter leaf juice. Now let the process begin. Let's introduce the juice into this heating chamber. Now we've locked it. So this is the hair sucking chamber. Please on it. This chamber sucks air into this heating chamber. As you can see, as you can see now, it is heating the chamber. This is quite mechanized. It is quite mechanized. And here is the condenser, the Liebe condenser. Here is another chamber which introduces water into this radiator. So this now is a part of the methanoic process. That is, water is being sucked from this chamber to this radiator, and then the water recycles. Meanwhile, as it recycles, it cools the water that will help in the formation of methanol in this machine. As you can see it, look at the methanol. It is quite colorless. As you can see, this is the steam which was formed, and then from there the condenser turned it into a liquid, a colorless liquid. This is now the byproduct of this bitter leaf juice, which our machine helped in turning into methanol. Now you can see it quite vividly. The methanol is now dropping into this container, which is gotten from the bitter leaf juice. And now this is our Benonia tea, which is similar to Lipton tea. It is gotten from bitter leaf. Actually, this is our daily morning tea. As you can see, we look healthy and wealthy. It is quite similar to lifting tea. If Nigerian government can take this tea, establish it, and export it, it will actually help in improving our economy and the development of the country. We, and also it will help in the creation of mass employment also. Here,
Try is the ash. Cotton from the chamber. You can use it to wash kitchen utensils.
as you can now see, this machine will help in in the production of food, creation of mass employment, in in improving our technological issues. That is, if this machine can actually be, can actually be taken by the government, Nigerian government, and implement it into small type, because this is a prototype whereby it can be in a portable form, whereby every house we have one, and also we can also export each of these machines, which will improve our exportation power, and also improve our agroeconomic sector. So this is OGANIHU useware. That's an Igbo name. It's actually our invention. That's the reason we gave it Nigerian name. It is actually a mechanized Bitterleaf washing machine. Thank you. OGANIHU useware. We are always moving forward. That's the meaning. Thank you.